Hey guys, it's me Nathan. Today I'm going to show you how to complete a Rubik's Cube before your eyes. This is a YouTube video from me for you to learn. So what you want to do is get your Rubik's Cube right here. Make sure it's mixed up together, like so. Looks like it's mixed up a lot. So what you want to do is move this piece here so you can have a platform like this. Then do it like that, so you got this part. Now as you can see, you got these parts, this part, and this part. As you can see, the red is already formation, so as the blue. So what you're going to do next is turn that part right there, turn this one right here. So now you got the light blue, the pink, the red, the green, the yellow, the light blue. And that's how you finish a Rubik's Cube. Yeah. See? You can see all kinds of colors on here. And that will be all it is. The Rubik's Cube. Just mix it up like I did in the video. If you like to subscribe, give me a thumbs up. Let's do it. Thank you for watching my video. And there will be plenty more videos like this in the future. See ya.